Take a look at this absolutely stunning 1933 Chevrolet closed cab pickup. Man, this thing's got some eyeball, that's for sure. So this truck came into us just the way you see it here at Unique Classic Cars. The truck is all steel. And whoever did the restoration on this truck did a fantastic job. This car came to us out of a collection, and previous owner decided that someone else gets to have some fun and get all the waves and thumbs up for a while. As you can see, it's riding on the wide white wall tires, wire wheels as it would have came with back in the day. Even the side mount spare, which always is a good look on these. Very sharp. I'll show you the steel fender there. Like as I mentioned, with the side mount spare. Now, Chevrolet was ahead of the game a little bit compared to the Fords, where the Model A's, 1928 to 1931, were all four-cylinder engines. Chevrolet came out with a six-cylinder during that time as well, so this truck is the six-cylinder variant as well. Nice crisp lines on this one. And a pretty basic but utilitarian interior. Got the job done. Clearly the seats have been recovered over the years. There's your vacuum operated wiper. Gauges. The odometer reads 318 miles. Previous owner believes that is the amount of miles since the restoration has been done, so pretty fresh that way. Take a look around the other side. And as we're walking here, I'll remind you, you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you'll be able to see photos of the inside, outside, underside, under the hood, everything you'll need to see to make a decision if this is the right truck for you. Very nice paint on this truck. I'm not seeing much in the lines of any orange peel or anything like that. Steel fenders, as I mentioned before, and an all steel body. That first lever there is your parking brake, of course, manual transmission. Let's another look at the gauges. Even has a headliner in it. Nice job. Inside the bed has been restored as well. Nicely finished with the wood grain and the metal strips in between. See, there's a chip down here on the paint, a sizable chip there, but hey, it's the tailgate. What do you expect, right? All right, so what I'm going to do is we'll get one of the hood sides open, and then we'll fire it up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
You turn the ignition key on right there, then the starter is this one right here. So we'll give it a whirl. And she's purring. Go. Let's take a look under the hood. Well, I forgot to mention there are a couple of chips right here as well, so you can see those. But overall, a very, very sharp truck, as you can see. Now, this truck does have the louvered vented hood, so all those chrome doors, you can close those Meant for wintertime driving, of course, that kept the heat inside the engine compartment. Under the hood is the 6-cylinder engine I mentioned, and of course a manual transmission shift in this truck. Got an auxiliary little horn right here. But running very, very nice and smoothly, as you can see. ID plate is still there. A little hard to read, but it's still there. All right, so a reminder, you can see all the still photos of this truck on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com.